Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create an Instagram account. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you have to install the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Open your Instagram app. Here you will see two options. Sign up with email or phone number, or log in if you have an existing account. But in our case, we haven't any existing accounts. We are going to sign up here. Click on the first option. Here you can sign up using your phone number or email. I'm putting here my email. Click on Next. Here you have to put the code you received in your email. After putting the code you received, click on Next. Put your full name and create a password here. Now, it's up to you which option you choose. Continue with syncing contacts or without it. Add your birthday here. Choose a username here for your Instagram account. The username I've chosen here is available. Here you could face an issue that the username you choose is already existing. If you face this kind of issue, then you will need to choose a unique username that doesn't exist already. Click on Next. Your account is registering now. Here are a few steps. You can skip or follow them. Wow! Here we have done. Hopefully, this video helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video and share it with others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.